Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on organising the health dashboard on the Zepp app for Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Zepp app on your phone and tap Health at the bottom of the home page. Then tap Edit Cards. Now hold down on the 3 horizontal lines button to the right of the tool and drag it to move that tool to a new location. You can drag tools up from hidden tools to make them visible, and drag tools down into hidden tools to hide them. Tap Save in the top right when you are happy with your new dashboard order. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.